Hello, welcome to Nuer Tube. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English and talk not daily phrases. Hello, male. Bia kamal kengish and banning ejen wale ke kwi dop rice ni English kana talk not tendere rach keke. Gwa sentilet kie mi wijal kie mi roachi yana masniku kan dob roine titi biken jilwak ko de rach set karamingai tok English kie tong nat chana jatok. Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson on English and Tongnas phrases for daily conversation. Whether you are at work, traveling, or just chatting with your friend, these phrases will help you sound more natural in English and in Tongnas. Let's begin. Greeting and introductions. Male kenalaran karode. Two people meet in a park. Ne dangro tichijik kwer kiedai. Hi, how are you? Hi, Male. I am good, thanks you. How about you? Mal poinda chiloda ted kajin wedi kaji. I am doing well. Nice to meet you. Mal poinda chiloda ted ko shanjik. Nice to meet you too. Chiloda ted ko shanjik ba. Asking for help. Tish ke kwilwak. Mugoro de jilwak. When you need help, dere tejide mugoro lwak. Excuse me, can you help me? Pali haka? Share de lwak. Sure. What do you need? Go aye. Mugoro model lwak. Where is the nearest coffee shop? Tugbuna Mentaknijan Jawanis. It is right around the corner. Jaka Gwang Dopomo. Making plans. Ariali Dwara Mibilat. Murial Mibiladika. Making plans. Are you free this weekend? Jin Lori Kanin Joka Dangaro Titi. Yes. Let's meet on Saturday at 3 p.m. Chanjik Kachankot Kata Diok p.m. Sound great. See you then. Ajomogwa Kabukonjik. At the restaurant, Jik Dulkwan, Mijik Yenaran Dulkwan, K Muraji Canadian Corn Tintagwakwan. Customer, I like to order cup and fresh fish and fries fish, please. I like to order cup and fries fish, please. And nako deshut ke cup can reach Mikel Mazda. Sure. Would you like a drink with that? Go ahead. And what did maso? Customer, yes. A lemonade, please. Moja ke lemon ke piu te shadwe te la piu lemuna. Saying goodbye, milare male midagyan pinyanaran gwaslat. Saying goodbye, milaro male ke malamande lara midag pinyanaran. Person A, it was great seeing you today. Chiloda tet ko chejinen and wale. Person B, me too. Take care. Mananba, Tiro. See you soon. Bukon jegayo. Ajen nandana chari aleka kakwidun en lisaname. Gore bijanyo ka nasin kokien. Werka wawanyam ka duwabdana de togome. Kie de ngai keje. Kie duwabdana de rai katok. Naat keje. Kie katok English. Mishi wawanyam ka jen lisaname. Dere jilwak agwa. Ko dere tok dere jangach. Dere kwen tok nura de yangach ka dere kwen tok English ba matot dere jangach baten. Bana je kamado dien chuje peru jen o jen be subscribe ka Nuer Tube. Bye bye.